Professor Eric Katunguka uri kukorera Kyambogo University na enda government okubongera billioni 10 kubahwera kutungura emishomo y'ebya science na teknolojia no kuhangahangaho. Ebi yabigambira mu rukiko rw'abanyamakuru obwe university rukwetebekaniso zo kujweka beji 1538
billioni mukaga to recruiting abana kukira mu science ko boy the PhDs but we tuchetenga abinji munonga to PhD levels especially in science disciplines to enough so menti yatwaka billioni 10 going to recruiting abantu but the challenge also aboru kwenda tokuja kubona nkaba ne PhD zo mu engineering tokunda kuja kushomesa mu university abo sento kubaha aho kuba baza gukora aheru baza gukora aheru bakore sente nyinshi. So it's a slow process mpora building onto it kugira ngo watunge sente nyinshi no babona nabo tubaro icyo tukijira ngo tuje kugira program yo kumanta training mpora over the years tunga tukumara.
Umubaro kuza kujwara harumwa beja 23 aba PhD kandi Professor Katunguka ina masiko minji ngo government kwe kubongera sente ebya science nibyija kuhinda hitendekereri
kana gamba abana ba performing rije munonga abana normally tubari recognizing hariho umwana akoze rije munonga no mweta nakasango Teddy Charity atungire CGPA na robo bonero bona 0.98 ari arubutano kabera cyo kuheze ubwona so akoze rije munonga tumenda kumwebaza ndarwo mu faculty of Computing and Information Science for School of Computing and Information Science.
Ogono gwija kubaguri umurundo gwa 2001 Kyambogo University rukujweka abeja bahereze emishomo yabo kandi omubaro kuza kujwara abeje 1991 nabishikande 1357 n'abashija obwo abeje 357 bine first class.
So ngenda kubebaza munonga abo college amukoro twesiro mujye mbuto mukuru kuba His Excellency the President ahubwo no visitor wa Kyambogo kanda azobiri akabiri tuketa Mama Janet kata Museveni ka Minister wa Education and Sports kuba mujye mbuto mukuru.
Polisi yashaba bari kujara kw'abana babo kwetantara kuja basinzire no kwende biragiro
ebyahangudo.
Avoid carrying alcohol and a drug substance. Let us come and be ready to respect those around you by leaving potentially dangerous items at home. We appeal to motorists who are not going to attend the graduation ceremony, at least to use other roads in order to avoid traffic jam.
Okujwara kurwa 2/11 ebyo kwezi kwa 12 2025 gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.